the pen tool. Select the colored pen to draw or write on the screen. Select the arrow option and tap and drag to place arrow to your desired size. For text, select the icon and tap on the screen to place your text. Tap and drag the text to move it, or double tap the text to edit. Select the starred pen and then the gears to choose a custom pen color and thickness. Other pen settings include adjusting the size and color of the text and of the arrows. Select clear to remove all the drawings at once, or use the eraser to remove one by one. Any pen, arrow, or text will save with the presets. The pen tool is a 2D object, like writing on the surface of the glass, so they will not move with the view, but you can save their position with the preset.